I told some of my students that I'm autistic. I'm a formally diagnosed level 1 autistic adult. And I realized that this autistic trait actually helped me in mastering SBL, right? So let me share with you a little bit about how autistic trait actually helped me to master SBL and enable me to teach SBL. Autistic traits requires logical arrangement, right? We do not accept the arrangement which does not sound logical or does not appear to be logical. So it is very much in line with SBL because because in SBL exam, when you try to justify a certain recommendation that you are making, or when you try to give impact to the weaknesses that you are highlighting, we need to be logical in a way that we need to relate our impact and our benefits to the points that we have mentioned just now. So this actually helped me to be able to tell the students how to write the paragraph, and sometimes I will get the students to follow a certain format when they write a certain paragraph. So I will be able to tell a student, for example, if you're writing about impact, you write your points first, and then you write your evidence. From where do you see the point? And then after that, you write your impact. Okay, so if this continue, then how would it affect the company? You write your impact, and then after that, if you need to recommend, then followed by recommendation. And when we talk about recommendation, we usually need to be persuasive, and so you need to tell the benefit of the recommendation. So most of the time, I will be able to give students a certain so-called format for them to write their answer because of this urge of needing the logical arrangement, right? Which is one of the autistic trait. And then secondly is autistic trait also requires very structured, way of arrangement. No matter it's during our life or during our studies or during our work or anything else, right? We need to be very structured. We need to have a routine. We need to have a plan. So in attempting SBL, answer planning is rather important, right? Because when you do answer planning, you are able to see what are the points that you are writing down and how to prioritize your points. So because of this reason, I'll be able to tell students when is the time that they are supposed to do this, how do they start their exam accordingly, because I need to plan it first, right, before I can actually deliver SBL to the student. So I will be able to tell the student, first, you read this. Second, you read this. Third, you read this. Fourth, you do this. And fifth, you do this. So I'll be able to tell the students the sequence of doing, things in ACCA SBL exam, just because I also need the routine and I also need to plan for the schedule, right? So, so far I only thought of these two. So I just feel that I can share these two with you. And hopefully with this sharing, you will be able to know better how to prepare for your SBL exam. Perhaps you follow these two so-called traits, which may not be natural for you, but it may somehow rather help you to attempt the exam. Then you can try by doing practice on it. Right? I wish you all the best.